original viewing and then decision to buy the building, we thought it has a good potential and we thought it's way too big for us. And we thought there's going to be quite a lot of work involved to bring it to a usable state. Because when we took it, it was a warehouse with holes in the roof, parts of the building missing, and it was a mess. It was a bit of a gamble because we didn't know exactly what we're getting with the building, because we can see the pictures, but you can't see what's not shown in the pictures. Quite a challenge to get it to work, to have different floor levels in the building and different finishes, different build-ups to make it all work. It was quite a journey of discovery. So the plan was to have parts of the building converted to office space and parts of the building to be used as our warehouse and distribution. And we also wanted to convert parts of the building to the showroom, and the original idea was for the showroom space to be different to other showrooms in the UK that we've seen. So the idea was to have a functional building with the product shown outside of the showroom as well as on the inside, because most of other showrooms, they were just showing windows inside the building. And we also wanted to incorporate structural glazing into the showroom because there wasn't any other showrooms showcasing structural glazing. And as that part of work was completed, then we just carried on. We never stopped building and changing since we've moved.